Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your app on Vercel. So, in order to do this, first of all log into vercel.com and click on the profile icon at the top right. Now, this will show you some options where you'll have to click on dashboard. After you click on dashboard, you will see these options like projects, integration, deployments, and much more. If you choose deployment, it will show the previous deployment for your app. Now, in order to deploy your app, click on projects, click on add new, and choose project. Here, you'll have to simply enter a Git repository URL in order to deploy your project. So basically, test your app using npm run build, ensure that your package.json has build and started scripts, add any required environment variables into a .env file, and if your app builds without errors, you are ready for deployments. Now, you can push your code to GitHub. So open the project folder and run these commands, create a Git repo and push your code to Git using this. Now, connect a repository to Vercel. So basically, click on import after any of the repository that will be connected to Git. So after your account will be connected with your Git, all the repository in that Git account will be shown just right here. Click on import and scroll down. Then simply click on deploy. After you click on deploy button here, your app will be successfully deployed on Vercel. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.